Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl. Today I'm going to be making a beef stew recipe, and I really like to make this recipe. It's one of my favorites because you basically are just putting everything together into a crock pot, setting your time, and then letting it cook. This is a great recipe to fix for any cold, rainy, snowy weather, especially if you have to go to work. You can come home and your meal is complete and ready to go.